Hello guys. So in the series of special integrals, you know the all the three formulae 1 over x square plus a square, that is 1 over a tan inverse x over a. Next is 1 over x square minus a square, that is 1 over 2a log of x minus a over x plus a, and 1 over a square minus x square. So it is 1 over 2a log a plus x over a minus x. So how will you differentiate these two? This is x square minus a square, this is a square minus x square. If the variable is greater than constant, then we will use this formula. If constant value is greater than variable value, then we use this formula. So in this series we discuss number one, standard formulae, these formulae directly. Second, modified expression, which is converted into standard form, and for this we use substitution. So when you use substitution, when you pick some odd one values and consider as t, then you get the standard form of this modified, and you get these type of questions. Number third, we discussed 1 over quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, and we change it using perfect square method. In terms of sum of and difference of two squares, and you can say we convert this form in standard form. But in this video we will consider the most important type of these type of questions, that is integration of linear expression, just like ax plus b over, you can say, quadratic expression. So how will you do this? So these are most important questions of special integration. Now we have type 4. It means we have numerator in which a linear expression is given, and denominator in which we have quadratic expression. So in these type of questions we will use AB method. So what is AB method? According to this, first we change this numerator in terms of a differentiation of denominator plus b, means you can write ax plus b as a and the differentiation of denominator part is 2px plus q, and this one is b. So multiply this, you get 2pax and aq plus b, and there is ax plus b. Right now we will do a smart technique. We compare the multiples of x. So we get 2pa equals to a, and second we compare constant part without x. So we get aq plus b equals to this. Then we solve this and collect the value of a and b. And now after getting these values, we put in this expression, equation 1. So in place of ax plus b, right now we have the value of a, numerical value, with 2px plus q, and we have the value of b. This is the numerator. So we can replace ax plus b as this. So we put this value at numerator. Now the modified form of numerator will be a 2px plus q and plus b, and in denominator we have same px square plus qx plus r. Right now we can separate this and we get a as common, and this is 2px plus q divided by px square plus qx plus r dx, and b common, we have 1 over px square plus qx plus c. If in the first part, like we have a 2px plus q over px square plus qx plus r, so in this first part, first integral part, we consider, let px square plus qx plus r as t. So on differentiation we get 2px plus q dx as dt. So the value of numerator is right now dt. It means this will be converted into 1 over t, because this is assumed as t and this is dt. And you know very well the integration of 1 over t dt is log t, and we get a log, we substitute the value of t as px square plus qx plus r. So this is the integral of the first part. Now we will consider right now its second part. This is the first, and the answer of first is this. Now we discuss the second part. If we observe this clearly, then you can say this is 1 over quadratic. So according to this, we extract p and we get x square plus q over p, x plus r over p. Now we are using perfect square method. So perfect square, so on using this we will consider we will change it in terms of two squares, maybe addition or maybe subtraction of those. So it will be x square plus q over p, x plus half of this and square, add and subtract, so it will be q square over 4p square, and this is r over p minus q square over 4p square, it is dx. And now this becomes b over p, and this becomes x plus q by 2p whole square, and this is the 4pr minus q square over 4p square, and you can say we can use under root and square, you can write like this. So we can see easily these are the two squares, and we can use the formula of tan inverse, so this will be converted into that. So this is the type third. As we have discussed in earlier class, so you can solve this problem as type third, and this is the advanced part which is required in type fourth. This is a simple one as earlier questions, but this is the now the modified part. You should know the when you consider t as denominator considered as t, and its differentiation is in numerator, so this always convert into 1 over t dt. So as a result we get log t, so a log t with the third part of special integration, and we get the final answer. So this is the entire method working rule we will use in these questions. So type 4 will be solved like this. Now we discuss the questions numeric. So we are taking question of type 4, means in numerator we have linear part and denominator we have quadratic equation. So it is given like 5x minus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. So according to our working rule, as we have discussed earlier, so we will use as a differentiation of denominator plus b. It means numerator is 5x minus 2 and a differentiation of denominator is 6x plus 2. So on multiplying this we get 6ax plus 2a plus b, and this is 5x minus 2. So this is the constant part, means without x. Now we compare this, so it is 6a equals to 5, or you can say a is 5 over 6. So this is the first information which is required, and for b we will compare constant part, that is minus 2. 2a plus b is minus 2. So it is when we put this value 2 into 5 over 6 plus b equals to minus 2, we get 5 by 3. So b is minus 2 minus 5 over 3. So on taking LCM, this is 6, it is minus 11. So b is minus 11 by 3. So this question will be converted into the form, we will put these values in equation 1, and we substitute 5x minus 2 as this. So it becomes 5 by 6, 6x plus 2, and b is 11 by 3, and the denominator as it is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we separate these, we will make two parts. So first part is 5 over 6, and in numerator right now 6x plus 2, and in denominator we have 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx, and there is 11 by 3 as 1 over 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now this is the first part and this is second part. Second part we operate this as a type third, and in this first part we consider 3x square plus 2x plus 1 as t. So on differentiation we get 6x plus 2 dx dt. So it means the numerator right now converts into dt. So it is 5 by 6, 1 over, and this part is t dt. So it always converts into log. So it is log t, and we get 5 over 6 log of t. T means it is this. So this is the answer of first part. Right now we will operate the second part. According to this we have 11 by 3, and first condition the coefficient of x square should be 1. So we take 3 as common. So right now this remaining part will be 2 by 3 x plus 1 by 3 dx. So it is 11 over 9, and there is x square plus 2 by 3 x, and the half of this, the multiple of x is, that is 1 by 3. So square is 1 over 9. We add and subtract this. So we add 1 over 9, and this is 1 over 3 minus 1 over 9. So this part become whole square. So it is x plus 1 over 3 whole square, and on taking LCM 9, it is 3 minus 1, that is 2, that is root 2 by 3 whole square. If we consider x plus 3, x plus 1 over 3 as u, so it becomes dx equals to du, and this part becomes 1 over u square plus root 2 by 3 whole square, and this is du. Now this is the formula of tan inverse. So it will be 1 over root 2 by 3 tan inverse u. U is x plus 1 over 3. On taking LCM, it is 3x plus 1 over 3 divided by root 2 by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. So as a result we get 11 over 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 over root 2 plus c, and the first part as it is यहाँ पे 5 over 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is our answer. So next question, that is integrate 3x plus 1 divided by 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So how will you integrate this? First you will identify the type. So it is linear over quadratic, so you can say this is type 4. So according to type 4, we convert this numerator as a into differentiation of denominator plus b. So this will be converted into 3x plus 1. A differentiation of denominator part is 4x minus 2 plus b. So this becomes 3x plus 1, and this is 4ax minus 2a plus b. Now we compare multiples of x and the constant parts. We get 4a equals to 3, means a is 3 by 4. This is the first constant part, and in case of second we have minus 2a plus b, it is 1. So we put this value minus 2 into 3 by 4 plus b equals to 1. So cancel out this. So b is 1 plus 3 by 2. B is 5 by 2. Now we have the values of both constant. We put this, we replace 3x plus 1 as this with these values. So it is 2x square minus 2x plus 3. So right now this is converted into 3 by 4, 4x minus 2, denominator plus 5 by 2, 1 over denominator. So this is the first part. And this is second part. So according to this, we assume this denominator 2x square minus 2x plus 3 as t. So on differentiation we get 4x minus 2 dx equals to dt. We put this value as 1 over t, and this is dt by, and it is dt. So this becomes log. This is 3 by 4 log of t, and we put the value of t. We get log of 2x square minus 2x. But in second part we use the perfect square method. First we collect 2 from the expression, and this becomes x square minus x plus 3 by 2. Now this becomes 5 over 4, and using perfect square method we will take the coefficient of x, that is 1. We take half of it and square of it and add and subtract. So it is 1 by 2 squaring, this is 1 by 4. So it is, we add 1 by 4 and we subtract 1 by 4. Right now this becomes 5 over 4 x minus half square, and this becomes 5 over 4 means root 5 over 2 square. And this is the, when we consider x minus half as u, this is dx equals to du, and this is 5 by 4, it is 1 over u square plus root 5 by 2 square du. So this is the formula of tan inverse. So it is 5 by 4, 1 over root 5 by 2, and this is tan inverse u over root 5 by 2. So it is 2, root 5 is root 5, root 5 by 2, and it is tan inverse u is 2x minus 1 over root 5, and this is 3 by 4 log 2x square minus 2x plus 3. Answer.